Hey everyone, I want to show you all how to use our burn program to supercharge your entries. If you are on mobile, first go to your Phantom wallet. Make sure you have at least 0.02 Solana in your wallet, otherwise the transaction could fail. Now go to your browser icon at the bottom right. Type in burn.catsandcars.com in the browser and press go. Press connect to connect your wallet. You will see your wallet connected in the top right. Press the orange burn button to start your burn. It will ask you if you want to confirm your transaction. Click confirm. It will then say mint successful. Press get code to get your secret code. You will now see your secret code. Copy the code by clicking on the copy button to the right of the code. You can go to your account by clicking here or exit and use a different browser of preference to log in. Congratulations, you have now successfully supercharged your entry. Good luck!